In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between multiple Steam accounts. If you use one computer for work and play, share a device at home, or just keep different profiles for different games, knowing how to quickly move between accounts can save you time and prevent mix-ups. Start with Steam open and make sure you are currently signed in to the account you consider your primary one. This simply means the account you are using right now. It's a good idea to pause any active downloads because switching accounts restarts the Steam client and will temporarily interrupt them. Next, look to the very top left of the Steam window and click the Steam menu. On Windows and Linux, it's inside the App window. On macOS, you'll find Steam in the System menu bar at the top of your screen. This is where Steam keeps options for account management and app controls. From that menu, choose Change Account. Selecting this doesn't uninstall anything or remove your games, it just signs you out of the current account so you can sign into a different one. Steam will let you know it needs to restart to proceed. When prompted, click Continue to confirm the restart. The client will close for a moment and then reopen to the sign-in screen. Don't worry, your installed games stay on your drive, and your libraries remain tied to their respective accounts. On the login screen, you can either select a previously saved account from the list, or click Add Account to use a different one. If you see the account you want, click it to fill in the username automatically. If not, Add Account will let you enter the credentials for a new account on this device. For security, only add accounts you own and trust on computers you control. Now log in, enter the password for the account you've chosen. To make switching faster next time, check the Remember Me box. This stores a secure login token locally, so you won't need to retype your password on this device. Only enable it on a personal, protected computer. Depending on your security settings, SteamGuard may ask for a verification code. Simply follow the on-screen prompt to complete sign. Once you are in, Steam will load that account's library, friends, list, and settings. If you want to switch again later, repeat the same quick flow. Open the Steam menu. Choose Change Account, confirm, pick the account, and log in. With Remember Me checked, moving between accounts becomes just a few clicks. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.